Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I would like to show you how to deactivate X account on your phone. So first of all, open X application on your phone and then tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now we want to scroll down to settings and privacy, and at the top find section your account. Now we want to find a section that is called deactivate your account. And here you can get acquainted with some information. And finally, at the very bottom side of your screen, you want to press the activate button. And then you want to enter your password to confirm that you really want to deactivate your account. And finally, tap deactivate button to finalize the process. After this, your account will be deactivated. And if you change your mind, for example, you have to simply log back into your account within the 30-day period in order to reactivate your account. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.